was supporting us from the first minute of this Duran Cup, and because of them, we could reach also the semi-final, and I'm very grateful with all of them because they deserve the best. This support is unbelievable, and we will try again. We will try again during the A-League. And sadly, the match of today we knew was going to be a tough match. They've got a very good squad as well. And sadly, the attempts we had in the first half, we couldn't end the action properly. But I think, and it's I think from the point of view as a coach and being objective, the first 10 minutes we played. I think to score at least one goal. Obviously, when you are or when the team is 2 goals down, it's very complicated to keep the intensity. And they knew how to cancel us. But we tried till the end, and I only can say that all of us we are very proud of the performance of the players, and we are very proud of what we did in this tournament. It's a milestone, and hopefully we can carry on with the same successful performances the rest of the year. I think if we carry on with the same we did in all matches, also today during when the score was draw 0-0, we were in an equal level of performance. I think the second goal was a big problem for us, and psychologically they went down too much, and that's why I think in the second half we couldn't perform as I thought. However, if we carry on with the same performance level we played, not only today, also against Bengal and against the second half against MC Goa and the two previous matches, I expect the best for all of them. I expect the best in Italy. Yeah, I only saw that in the first goal. The first goal was a mismatch, 100%. The swap of the players of Northeast in that moment was correctly covered by us. There was a lack of communication, and that's why the guy who received the ball and crossed the ball was alone. However, I don't think there was a coordination problem today. It was they had 3 chances in the first half, they scored 2. And when you are 2 goals down, it's complicated to change the situation. But I think the team, till the second goal, the performance of the team was very good. Obviously, in the second half, with 2 goals down, it's very, very complicated to change. We had a lot of missed passes in the second half, and that's why we couldn't perform as we did in the previous match against Israel. But I don't think it was a coordination problem. I think so, from my point of view. We have to improve a lot the movement of the ball when we're attacking. I think it's, for us, is one of the main targets. We've got to sort it out as soon as possible. The movement of the ball, too much missed passes again today. So I think when the team can sort out a point, the performance will be even better than the matches we played so far. If we had performed better with the ball in the moment the team was attacking, I'm completely convinced the score was other than these two seriously. And remember the midfielders of Bengal. Our players were the same. The Tiger players who played today, and against Bengal we could beat them. So it wasn't a matter of the size of the players. It was a matter of the missed passes we had in the midfield. When we got the ball down, there's not a problem. But today, sadly, the performance with the ball wasn't as we expected. I told you now, our main target right now, with the intensity we are putting on the field, defending, in that moment of the field, in that moment of the game, we are doing very good actions. As I told your partner, the first goal was a mismatch. However, in the first half, even in the second half, the control of the defensive zone was correct. Today, the intensity was lower in the second half because of the mental problem. 2 goals down is very complicated when you are playing on a tough team as Northeast was. But as I told your mate, the moment of the ball, when we are attacking, we have to improve as soon as possible, because we think with these guys, with the strength, the intensity, the commitment, the quick movement, one they've got the ball, uh, attacking from the flankers, we can carry on to obtain a very good or a successful target in I league. I'm 100% convinced.